Skytech Gaming Shadow 5 is a gaming monitor. High refresh rate for smooth gameplay, 144 Hz for fast-paced action games. Nanotech coating reduces glare and reflections. 1 millisecond response time minimizes ghosting and blurring. Gaming-grade display with HDR support. Wide color gamut for vibrant colors. 120 Hz in game mode for competitive edge. Low input lag ensures precise control. USB-C port for easy connectivity. DisplayPort 1.4 for multiple connections. 1080p, 1440p, and 4K resolutions available. Syncs with NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync technology. RGB lighting adjusts to your mood or team color. Customizable via Skytech Gaming software. Cable management system keeps cables organized. Durable aluminum frame withstands heavy use. Gaming peripherals designed for Shadow 5 compatibility. Perfect monitor for gaming setups at home or office. Skytech Gaming Shadow 5 has a sleek, modern design. Compact and lightweight for easy transport. Great value for the price point. Competitive with other high-end gaming monitors.